Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a data-driven college selection process. As you can see, I'm going to post all the links to this tool in the description section, and you can access this link. This is all cloud-driven solution. There are two steps in the process. First step, we are going to use an AI-driven major selection process, and then we'll use this screen to compare various majors. There are almost 100 plus majors here to select from. There are a list of 1,000 universities and filtering by the different states, and then we will be able to look at the entire view of what would be the average loan at the time of graduation for a given subject for a given university, and then compare them against the average salaries, and then also the admission rate for each university. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing is really to answer these 26 questions to get to the 4 or 5 key majors. Again, like I said, it's a data driven, so you will get to know what major you really interest in based on a certain key questions. So I'll go and answer. And not to bore you, basically I answered these questions and I got the selection of these top 5 majors. Obviously, you can go through it as many times as you want. So my top 5 majors are biology, accounting, information science, and exercise sciences. You can see this is very wide selection of majors, from biology to accounting to computer science. But the reason I chose these majors is I wanted to show you how the tool works, and then you can get different results. So let's go back to this screen. Again, this screen, you will have access to this URL in the description section of the video. What I've done here is selected biotechnology here. We can select one more major called biology in journal. Then I'm going to go ahead and add accounting here, which is already selected here. And then let's go ahead and add information, computer science and information technology. Now we have about 5 majors selected here. Let's see how they stand against each other. Now I've also done I'm mostly interested in all the East Coast universities. So I went ahead and selected Vermont, Virginia, let's say Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey. I'm going to select New England also to see the Boston area universities, and you can obviously increase this New Hampshire. So you can have as many universities by geography as you want, or just one university. You can filter it, and obviously we can filter also by the specific universities. When we do this filter, what we see, obviously, a computer science graduate from Carnegie Mellon would graduate with merely 20,000 loans, but look at the salaries at the beginning, almost $140,000. It's a huge. In this graph, you can also see someone graduating with a biology journal with a roughly loan would be around 25K, and the salary would be in the range of 34,000. It gives you a very great view of comparing different majors by different universities. Let's sort it out, right? So if I sort it, all these universities, I see that University of Richmond, Virginia, in the biology, a student will graduate with 18,000 loan and salary will be around 80,000. That's kind of sucks. But that's what you get to compare the different majors, earning potentials, and their salaries, right? Let's go to and obviously you can select a specific university. This is all the universities in this East Coast area, but if you choose certain university, you can do that. Let's go ahead and create a personalized assessment for us, right? Click on the next page. This is where you will get to know if you choose. I'm going to choose, just for the argument purposes, I'm going to just go ahead and choose visual and performing arts only, right? Let's see how this stands. I'm pretty sure this is going to tell us that this major is going to result in you a lot of losses in a long-term basis because the salaries are not there, right? these are all the universities that offers these courses, right? We can choose a specific university. Remember our state, we have selected selection of our state. So I'm going to select a New York NYU University. Your graduation salary at the graduation is going to be $36,000. But when you include all the food, housing, transportation, and total living expenses and your student loan, you're pretty much losing money a month over month by almost $140. Is this the major really you want to choose? So that's something to keep in mind. Then it tells you your potential over 5-year earning salaries and 10-year earning salaries. If you go to the third section, it tells you, gives you a lot more details, right? Let's stay with the visual art and performing, right? So we want to see all the universities that are offering the major in visual arts and performing majors, their admission rates, right? So let's talk about University of Wisconsin-Madison. Admission rate is 53%. Average SAT score is 1361. Salaries are 52,000. You can get a very holistic view about all the universities in the US offering this major, what their SAT requirements are, and their salaries and average loan. This is what I call is really the AI/data driven major selection process to give you a total holistic view. I'm going to paste all the links in the description section. You can always reach out to me. I'm happy to help you with this, how to use this tool. Thank you for viewing it. Bye.